Here's another example of our 2K wireless security camera systems. Here I'm using the WC4MP wireless bullet camera from Avalonix, and the Wi-Fi 8-channel NVR can support up to 6 wireless cameras and 2 wired cameras if you add a PoE port. This is a standalone system. You don't need to connect it to the internet. If you want to connect it to the internet, then you can have remote viewing from your phone or PC when away. So here's the network port. As you can see, I don't have it connected. I only have a monitor, USB cable, and power connected. So here's the monitor connection, goes to my monitor. I've got a camera all the way at the end of the warehouse, about 75 feet away. The Wi-Fi signal is passing all these obstructions. We've got tons of camera boxes, lots of metal and cardboard, and I can still see a good, clear signal. Now, the camera in front of me, the main purpose to show this video is, one, how great the video signal is. So let me switch over to that. So this NVR allows you to see the cameras in a grid form. So you can have grid of 4 or even up to 9 channels. So when you go to 9 channels, you'll get a grid of 8 cameras plus some data in here. Now, since this is a video and audio surveillance system, I can double click on a camera, and when I'm in full screen view, I can hear audio. As long as you're using one of the cameras that has a mic built in and your monitor has a speaker built in, you can actually hear audio. It's pretty real time, so watch me. About a few milliseconds delay there. This is what you should expect from Wi-Fi based cameras. Again, these cameras are Wi-Fi cameras. They do need electricity. They come with a power adapter with a 10-foot cord that connects in here. So if you're a nearby outlet, you can do that. Or if you wanted to run an extension wire, we also sell those. We can actually hand make them for you according to your length. You just have to pay the nominal cost for it. Otherwise, it is a Wi-Fi signal. And the best thing is the signal quality. As you can see, it actually transmits really far. So what I'm gonna do is walk down, and I'm walking down and showing this on video to show you exactly how much obstructions this signal is passing through. And I've got a camera sitting here connected to an outlet. So here I've got in front of the camera waving my hand. Now I'm gonna go back to the monitoring station there. Now, a lot of people ask, hey, do I need internet? I can't have internet because I don't want anybody spying on me, etc. Keep in mind, these cameras do not use internet. It's a Wi-Fi signal from the camera's antenna to the antenna on the NVR. Now I can go back and play back the video. So that's channel 2 that I'm trying to play back. I will just select it here, expand it. Go to the 30-minute view. Here I'm standing there, filming it, waving my hand. You see how good the quality of the video is. This is 2K video quality. And of course, the greatest thing is this camera NVR also supports 6 Wi-Fi cameras. I'm gonna turn off the lights. Infrared light will shine on the cameras after a few seconds. There you go. Here's the quality you can expect from the camera. So that's about 70 feet away. This thing can beam IR all the way down. So if there's somebody trespassing at the end of your property, you can see them. Of course, these objects that are closer are gonna get more IR. So the more obstructions you have closer by, they'll get hit with more IR. So make sure you mount the camera at a vantage point. If you're trying to look far away, you don't have obstructions nearby like trees, fencing, or your soffit. Hopefully this video gives you good insightful information into the wireless security cameras we sell here at CCTV Camera World. Again, this is the Avalonix Wi-Fi series cameras. Thanks for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.